Hello and welcome to our channel. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Now we are going to see in-depth guide on mastering sales forecasting. This guide will take you through the intricacies of sales forecasting, helping you understand its significance, techniques, and how to avoid common pitfalls. Let's dive in.
1. Understanding the basics of sales forecasting. Sales forecasting is a crucial element of business strategy. It helps you anticipate future sales, providing invaluable insights for decision making. There are several methods for sales forecasting, each with its own merits. From historical sales data and time series analysis to regression models. The right choice depends on your business specifics. 2. The role of sales forecasting in business strategy. Sales forecasts are key drivers of business decisions. They guide strategies for inventory management, hiring, and investment. A well-informed forecast can serve as a roadmap for your business, helping you plan for growth and navigate potential challenges. 3. Step-by-step guide to creating a sales forecast. Creating a sales forecast can be broken down into several steps. It begins with choosing the right forecasting method for your business, analyzing past sales data, considering market conditions, and projecting these factors into the future. Regular updates are critical to ensure your forecast remains accurate and relevant. 4. Choosing the right sales forecasting method for your business. The choice of a sales forecasting method is pivotal. It depends on factors such as the industry you are in, the size of your business, and the kind of data you have access to. In some cases, a simple method might be sufficient, while in others, more complex predictive models could be required. 5. How to improve the accuracy of your sales forecast. Improving the accuracy of your sales forecast revolves around utilizing high-quality data, updating your forecasts regularly, and considering current market trends. Also, a blend of different forecasting methods can often yield the most accurate results. 6. The impact of market trends on sales forecasting. Market trends can significantly impact your sales forecast. Identifying these trends and incorporating them into your forecast can enhance its accuracy. It's all about staying adaptable and flexible in your forecasting approach. 7. Common pitfalls in sales forecasting and how to avoid them. Despite its importance, many businesses encounter difficulties with sales forecasting. Common pitfalls include over-reliance on historical data, ignoring seasonality, and failing to update forecasts regularly. Avoiding these mistakes can dramatically improve your forecasting accuracy. 8. Real-world examples of successful sales forecasting. Many leading companies have harnessed the power of accurate sales forecasting. From Amazon's use of demand forecasting to Starbucks' predictive analytics. These examples demonstrate the value and impact of precise sales forecasting. 9. The future of sales forecasting, predictions and trends. As we look ahead, the future of sales forecasting is exciting. Expect to see greater use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, integration of big data, real-time forecasting, and increasing the use of predictive analytics. The key will be staying adaptable and ready to leverage these advancements for improved forecasting. Mastering sales forecasting is a blend of art and science. It's about reducing uncertainty, making informed decisions, and being prepared for the future. Remember, the ultimate goal isn't to predict the future perfectly, it's to plan effectively, make informed decisions, and prepare for the challenges ahead. Thank you for watching, like, and subscribe our channel, and we hope this guide has been helpful.